What is happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. This pollen is cramping my vibes, man. Black cars, pollen, do not mix. Today is car show day. We are heading to Beers and Gears of Charlotte, North Carolina, meeting up with all the boys beforehand. No new mods as of late. We're just kind of enjoying the car. Enjoying the car as it is. Got some stuff coming though. Got some stuff coming. I got to ride in a buddy's GT3 RS the other day, and that was that was amazing. Definitely has me wanting a Porsche. Even though that car may not be as fast as this car, just the driving experience of it and the way it felt when you were driving it, the way that it handled, the way that it sounded is pretty amazing. Oh man, this car show is gonna be insane for sure. It's pretty nice day out. This is the first real car show of the season, and Beers and Gears always has all the crazy supercars that come out. So yeah, we're gonna see some dope shit. I'm excited. Some people don't realize that you can turn right on red. It's okay. You can, if there aren't any cars, you can do that. Yeah, you're getting passed. No way am I getting stuck behind you. Not getting stuck behind you. Not a chance. This is the first pollen season with a black car. It's got me rethinking everything. Gotta think of maybe the next car won't be black. Black looks so good, but it's so hard to keep clean, man. It's never clean. It's clean if you're at an indoor show or in your garage. Definitely silver is the easiest to keep clean. White is pretty easy to keep clean. I guess the right way to say it is that it's easier to hide dirt and pollen and dust when you have a lighter color car like that. I'd like to get silver next, I think. Silver or white. Man, I just love white cars. I don't know why. So we're pulling up to Amelie's. It's a little coffee joint. They have these crazy macaroons here too. A little French bakery. And I think we're meeting a bunch of people here, and then we're going to the show. Jesus, it's a lot of them. Holy shit. There's 12 cars. Look at them all. Look at them all. What up, what up? Damn. It's just so many exhausts going on at once. It's craziness, dude. Good. All white. That's like the TJ Hunt spec. All white with the black accents. Looks good, man. Super sick F80. kind of made our own right here. But that's gonna have to work. Like a little bit. Yeah, it's okay, I'm out of the way. Damn. Dude, this is crazy. Hell yeah. God damn this color. My family over here in the corner. Oh, it's an A91. Refraction blue. Just bought it, looks like. Nice. Fadey comp. This is hard right here, dude. This thing is dope as shit. Crazy looking. What a color. I got the mount.
Got a Tick Web t-shirt. Forget about it. So when you approach that, you're gonna have to make a right into that small lot, and you'll see all our cars there, and you could just park like long way. Oh wow, that's a what is it? Yeah, that's a G80. Bro, you're welcome. What do you have?
All right, so for everyone who thinks they see me when my car isn't actually out, this is my twin. Sanders the God. Say what up, bro. And so pretty much like the exact same scheme. He's got the black wheels with the gold hardware, nocturnal black, A90, lowered, looks really good. And it's a launch edition. It's like identical to me. Looks good, man. You guys have probably confused me with him. Because a lot of you are like, oh, I saw you out driving on 485. I'm like, that's weird, my car's in the garage. All right, we got the G80. G80's looking hard.
Take a look at this.
Damn. Dude, it is bright in person. Ooh. Those are the seats. Thing is crazy bright in person, man. Not quite. Which one would you take? M2 Ghost pulled up. Gave him the premium parking spot. God, yes. Hey! Overnight parts from Germany up in here. Classics, dude. Sick. Oh!
Yeah!
My twin. My twin.
Nah, she's like my car. I don't want her. Alright. Three-wheeler.
You got it. You got it.
Chicks and women.
I got him. I got him. I got him. Oh, twin has pulled up. It's the exact same one as mine.
Yeah, I saw.
Alright, so we just wrapped up the car show and heading to another brewery to grab some beers. I think from here on out we're just like kicking it, grabbing food, and then gonna end up going home. So, but anyways, thank you guys so much for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.